Okay, so you're taking the Making Graphs quiz, and one of the questions is about pie charts. So think back to the percents and percent error quiz, and there was a trick that got a couple questions right on that, and it was the is over of trick. And it would look like this. So is over of equals percent over 100. So if you think about it, percent over 100, we could use something else there. What if we had is over of, and we had degrees over 360? So if we compare is over of to degrees over 360, basically what we've done is we've kind of taken this percent idea, percent for every 100, and we've switched it to degrees out of 360. So let me come up with an example of this. Okay, so here's an example I just kind of came up with kind of quickly. So let's say we've got 8 guy teachers in a school, 11 lady teachers in a school, and that adds up to a total of 19. So let's say we want to know how big the slice would be of a pie chart for just the guys. So what we do is the guys, that would be the is number, and the total teachers, that would be the of number. So we're going to have 8 out of 19, and then that's going to equal the degrees. I'm going to call that x. You could write degrees there if you wanted, out of 360. Okay, so all I have to do then is do my bow tie thing here, my cross multiplying, and I wind up with 19x equals 360 times 8. So the 360 times 8, that gives me 2880. So 19x equals 2880. To get rid of the 19, just divide by 19 on both sides, and I wind up with divide 19, and I get 151.57. So I actually, Moodle likes 2 decimal places, so I'm going to call it 151.58. 151.58 degrees. So this trick will work, and when you're taking that quiz, you could get one question that asks you to figure out the is number. You could get another question that asks you to figure out the of number. And the one that we just did here, my example was we had to figure out the number of degrees. So this little trick, the is over of trick, will help you get that question right on the Making Graphs quiz.